take this out in high speed winds, like 100-mile-an-hour winds. Not right now.
Do you have a wind tolerance?
Sorry? Yeah, I mean, you could add all that, but it adds weight. So we're trying to keep weight down, and it takes energy. The agricultural community, farmers don't need that necessarily that kind of thing, you know. He's about to make the take off. So he's going to go through his checklist here. You'll notice the lights, that means high voltage is active on the rings. He's not doing anything. What's that? No. No. We're only allowed to fly for 2 minutes. That's what we were allowed to fly, and only between 15 and 20 feet in the air. That's what they allowed. But we're in Class Bravo airspace here. So this is the most tightly monitored airspace. We have permission from air traffic control at Harry Reid to fly, just to do that. The FAA is very specific.
You can't even take a drone out in Las Vegas.
You can't fly a drone in this city. What's that? Yes.
Talk a little bit later.
Yes. This is one of the busiest airports in the world. Thanks, Carl. Thank you to Las Vegas Convention Center for allowing us to fly here.